start telling terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Great power, great responsibilities. Be like. Getting more power is exciting, but using it wisely is the real challenge. Great power, great responsibilities in everyday life. 1. You became the TV remote holder. Everyone suddenly has requests. 2. You're the group leader. Time to keep the team organized. 3. You know the Wi-Fi password. You're instantly the most popular person. 4. You bring the snacks. Everyone counts on you to share. 5. You're the design photographer. Every smile depends on your timing. 6. You get the aux cable. Choose songs everyone can enjoy. 7. You own the board game. Be fair with the rules. 8. You're the oldest sibling. The younger ones are watching what you do. 9. You learn useful skills. Helping others makes it even more valuable. 10. You find the missing item. Instant hero of the day. 11. You're trusted with a secret. Respect that trust. 12. You became a team captain. Encourage everyone, not just yourself. 13. You're driving the shopping cart. Avoid turning the aisle into the racetrack. 14. You control the playlist. Mix everyone's favorites. 15. You have the last slice of pizza. Sharing earns bonus points. 16. You become a class monitor. Lead with kindness and fairness. 17. You have extra batteries. You're everyone's favorite backup plan. 18. You know the shortcut. Make sure it's actually shorter. 19. You have a flashlight during blackout. Guide others safely. 20. You became the game host. Make sure everyone has fun. 21. You own the toolbox. Fix things carefully and safely. 22. You have a charger. Today's a lifesaver for low battery comrades. 23. You're the first to solve the puzzle. Give helpful hints instead of spoilers. 24. You have extra water. Sharing is always refreshing. 25. You're good at cooking. A delicious meal brings people together. 26. You became the event organizer. Good planning keeps everyone smiling. 27. You earn someone's trust. Protect it with honesty. 28. You became a mentor. Teach with patience and encouragement. 29. You achieve success. Stay humble and inspire others. 30. You have the power to make someone's day better. A little kindness can have a big impact. Power isn't just about strength. It's about how you use it. Whether it's a small responsibility or a big one. Using it with kindness, fairness, and respect make all the difference. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.